now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say to clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I left its full, I travel each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I have the few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and say I true without exemption. I planned each artful course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I am sure knew when I beat on more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, he had it on and speed it on. I faced it all, and I stood tall, and did it my way. I loved, I have learned and cried, I had my fee, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did ill that, and may I say, no, in a shy way. Oh no, not me, I did it my way. For what is a man, what is his God, if not himself, then he is not to say the thing he truly feels, and not one on your knees. The regret song, I took the blow and did it my way. Yes, it was